25 is still good on the highway. I can still go a few miles down the highway without damaging tires. But in the dirt, I'm running about 25. Schools, we set you just a tiny bit higher because we don't want rim damage. Okay? So remember that figure? You own bikes at home, 25.
And difference between, do you know the difference between Enduro and Enduro Pro?
I knew you were going to come back to that question.
So throttle response is going to be
Much more on Enduro Pro.
So even when you switch to Enduro Pro, there's going to still be a tiny bit of ABS, right? So that is more in Enduro than it is in Enduro Pro. So it's almost all of the nannies off. But when you switch to Enduro Pro, there's going to be a little bit of traction control still, and there's going to be a little bit of ABS.
Do you want that?
Yeah, that's okay.
That's fine, and it's going to be with your front wheel.
Because the percentage is very small. Okay.
And you'll see when we do drills, it'll interfere with us trying to teach you some of the braking drills because it's trying to fight you. We're trying to do it.
If you're doing a braking drill and not stopping what you think you should be stopping, you're hearing a click, 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 click. That means your ABS is on. ABS is modulating the throttle, modulating your braking system. ABS is wonderful on the highway. It does work. It's a good system. Not so much in the real. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to have you ride the perimeter around, okay? Around the lake, hitting the lake, watch the wet spots. I want you to go as slow as you possibly can go. So, excuse me, that means I'm going to be in and out of that friction zone, right? In and out of the friction zone. Steve, you want to do one lap around? Sure. Okay. What we'll do is we'll take off from here and we'll do the low route, the high route up there beyond those bushes. So we just take the low route, and I want to see you guys do about 3 laps. Now.
Helmet on?
Pardon me?
Helmet on?
Yes, sir. Always when the bike's moving, we gotta have it done. If you don't want your jacket, that's fine. I'm okay with that. Do not be on.
Off with that hand.
Yeah.
Burn that fucker out before you
I know.
get the maximum use out of it.
This is
Bike's on this slope right now. I want you to back it off a little bit, so you're not trying to do a climbing off camber right-hand turn to start out with, and then every fall.
I didn't know if you were going to do that. I know.
Back the bikes out a little bit. We're going to start with a clockwise circle.
I'm going to have to at least for.
And then do you want to do an hour? Do you want to do lunch? Bill, how far are we out? How many more drills before lunch? We're going to do our.
Oh well.
Just wondering if he gets a rental because his clutch is kooky.
That's probably.
Do it now.
This
or
may be the only one.
Okay.
Because it's 10 minutes to 12. We'll go to lunch 12:30.
Okay. So 2 around and then we'll. Watch where he's going and what he's doing. So bad.
Okay. Now, what brake do I want to use if I want to go as slow as I can? You don't need to go. Which one?
That's extremely slow.
Rear brake.
Don't. Yeah, but that's the general idea. Can we balance and go as slow as possible?
Okay, line up behind. Watch coach.
Am I demoing or are we starting?
We can start. You don't need a demo. Just follow coach.
Follow
He'll
leader.
make 1 lap and then he's going to drop out. And then you guys